Yes, I use KitMaker. So let me show you what I did with KitMaker. All right, you ready for this one? All right. So I'm gonna go to my browser, and from my browser, now I'm gonna go to. So when I had the Machine Plus, I had an SD card, 256 gigs on that SD card. I just put that in here. So yesterday, teaching, moving kits over using KitMaker, and now I have all these doggone songs in here. If you look here, you see it says MPC expansions. Oh, let me change my view. You see it says MPC expansions over here. Now these are machine kits. So there's Velvet Bloom right here. This is the brand new kit. And this is an amazing expansion right here. Woo! If it's too loud, let me know. Now, everything won't play. Some things you might have to load. This is that Velvet Bloom. What? Yes. Come on, NI. This is Native Instruments, y'all. KitMaker. I just pulled it in. Hey, now all of you that like Native Instruments, I'm gonna put a link in the description. Make sure you use my link if you go purchase it. So they have the special where you have the play instrument, and then you also have the expansion, your Native Instruments expansion right here. Woo! Listen to those drums. They're getting so much better with their kits and the expressions and the sounds. Because I remember sometimes you used to listen like it wasn't mixed well, sound like they just threw it together, but their expansions are. Now in KitMaker, if you notice some of them when you pull them over, some of the programs and stuff like that won't play, but you'll still have access to the sounds. You just have to load them in. Come on, tell me that don't sound good right there. Snipe did this one. Snipe Young is the man. Yo, we're in the MPC family. If you're going to MPC family, go and thank Snipe. Snipe Young, I love Snipe Young kids, man. This brother needs more credit. Sound like he's using that teletone on that one. Woo. Oh, I'm telling y'all, please don't go out and buy it. You know what? Let me go get my share of sale link. This is dope. This is absolute. So as you can see, when you do KitMaker, not all of them are going to play, but you still have access to the sounds. Let me go back in here. What's one that, let me see, find the one that people slept on majorly for, and I loved it. It was a Snipe Young kit, if I can find it. Satin Looks. Yo, Satin Looks was my kit. Snipe does better with NI than, maybe who pays more. You never know. You never know. But let me come on, 90s R&B. Let me see what else will play. Come on. Like a Tyler Perry movie, right? Or Neo. Come on, if you like R&B, Satin Looks is. Come on, these. Don't go out and purchase nothing yet. Wait till I put my link in the link out there. Come on.